Supposed to whistle while you work.
I'm not a very good whistler.
Finally. This is my life, folks.
No.
Dealing with warped wood. I've already built 2 screen doors, but I'm doing one more. These are not, they're screen doors, but they're actually going to be covered with hardware cloth because we have chickens. Chickens will go right through screen doors. Like I said, this is not a traditional screen door, but it's the same principle. If you're just doing a screen door just to keep bugs out, just use the regular screen. But we're keeping chickens in and we're keeping critters out. So that's why we're using hardware cloth. This is going to be a 7-foot tall. Cut these 7 foot long.
Okay, I need to.
These side pieces, they're going to go in between 29¼ inch. Perfect. So these will work.
And you're using 2x2s?
Yes. So I'm going to start by getting the top and the bottom runner on. Yeah, I got a third one to go in the middle. We might, with this being 7 foot, we'll see if the center one will be enough. If not, we'll cut another one and I'll move it and we'll put.
Okay.
Anyway, but 2x2, pre-drill. Using 2½ inch screws. To check for square, 88 3/4.
Okay. Please.
It's not square.
88 and
7/8.
7/8.
If I can do that, if I twist it this way,
It's 88 3/4.
yeah.
So we're still off by, how much is that? Couple tenths? I think we're okay.
Yeah.
It's a chicken coop frame. It'll be okay.
A lot of stuff on here. Wasn't anybody directly to blame, you know. Heck of a door, eh?
It is big.
Yep, 7 foot. But if you'll notice on these, I put these braces in, these 2 here. I had these leftover 2x that were cut off, so I just 45'd them and then set them in here and then screwed them in. So it's good and stout. So
Good and stout. And this is what a 7-foot screen door looks like.
yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
Oh,
So
yeah.
now it's time to lay it back on the sawhorses and let her start painting.
Yep. Okay.
And then we can put wire on it. So here we go. Supposed to whistle while you work.
I'm not a very good whistler. I have a bum lip. Gotta go get my cup of paint. I'm just using the lid to get it off of there. This is my big 7-foot screen door. so you can see all the lines are good. Oh, that top one squeaks. Yeah. Is that top?
Finally. Anyway, guys, got all three of the screen doors, I say, but these are covered in chicken wire or hardware cloth.
Half-inch.
That's what everything is covered with. This door here, we put in the pretty handles, the pretty latch. Undo it. There you go.
Woohoo!
Come back in. We've already discovered that's a two handler. Door number 1. This is door number 2.
The big door.
Flip that up. This one actually swings out. I got one hinge up there that's squeaking, so I'm gonna have to put some fluid film on it to quieten that down. And then door number 3.
Harden the hardware, tools in the back.
And this one squeaks worse than the others. I can put some fluid film on it and that'll take care of it. But anyway, that's what they do. That's what it looks like when it's done. We stapled the hardware cloth. She might have shown that previously. But then we covered it with this. That's the way we've done it. You can do it too.
That's how you build a screen door. But the reason we made them, 2 reasons. The cost, but also these are odd sizes.
Number 1 was cost.
Number 1 is cost.
Yeah, go pull up screen doors. Them things are crazy expensive.
But if you have an odd size like we do,
You got to build it. That's all there is to it. You just got to build it. These are cheap 2x2s that we used. It's very economical to do it with that. Just 2x2s and some screws. Didn't even have to use glue on any of this. So, but like I showed earlier on this big one, I cut these were scrapped 2x2s that I had. So I just 45'd them, screwed them in, and this door, I mean that I'm pushing up on it and pulling down on it, and that's not giving it all. So it's got doors for what we need. She ordered some inexpensive hinges off of Amazon, and that's all there was to it. So,
for our case, the hardware cloth was the most expensive part of these. But
yeah.
normal screen or even pet resistant screen.
Yeah, it's not near as high. And it would be a lot easier to put regular window screen on these
Yes.
than doing the hardware cloth. So,
And much cheaper.
yeah. So if you just want to keep bugs out, use window screen. It's super easy.
And the 2x2s were like less than $3 each.
Yeah.
So very economical to build your own screens and easy. you know.
Yeah, so it's in my opinion, it's very easy. Just take your time and make sure you're square. Even if your hair out of square, it'll work. Go to it. Thumbs up, that's like, subscribe, ring the bell so you'll be notified when Michelle puts out another video. And what else?
See you on the next one.
Oh, I thought there was another something else. Anyway, that's it, guys. Go make yourself a screen door. We'll see you on the next one.